Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about many different ways to make money online. If you're interested in these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will talk to you about a mobile app called PortalPay where you can make money answering surveys. I will go through all the different options and show you my payment proof. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure to use my code in the description to get your 23 cents bonus. The first thing you see is the homepage of PortalPay. I currently have 70 cents, but no surveys are available right now, so I will complete this qualification to get more surveys. Make sure you type your birth date in the American format, which is month, day, and then year. So that was pretty fast, they just asked for my age and gender. Now 3 surveys are available. At the very top, you can also usually get an extra 15% bonus for every survey you complete for the next 3 hours. Let's move on to the news section. And here they explain how to avoid disqualifications, how to choose the best surveys, and news about PortalPay. To avoid disqualifications, as with most survey platforms, make sure you read questions properly because they often have test questions to make sure you don't answer randomly. Always stick with the same answers about your age, income, or job title. If you answer incorrectly, they will disqualify you. How to choose the best surveys. Try to always choose the ones with the highest ratings. And they also say the most money a survey pays, the harder it is to meet the conditions to qualify. They also recently announced that you can now complete PortalPay surveys on your computer, and they claim that more surveys are available than on the mobile app. I haven't tried this yet, so let's see how this looks. The website is web.portalpay.app. So you need to be over 16 years old to join PortalPay, by the way. I didn't know that. And I will log in with my Google account, because that's how I first signed up. This looks pretty similar to the app version, but it should be much faster to complete surveys that way. It seems to be the same survey they were showing on the app, and all the different sections on the left are exactly the same as well. The layout is just a bit different. Okay, so I'll go back to the app version now, and move on to the reward section, where you can cash out via PayPal or Spotify. There is a 50 cents fee when redeeming cash via PayPal. That hasn't changed since I first joined. However, when I redeemed my first PayPal transfer last year, the minimum withdrawal amount was €5, or €5.50 exactly, because of the 50 cents fee. So they've now increased it to €10.50. Spotify, on the other hand, doesn't have any fee. I will now show you my payment proof from last year. You can see that by going to the History section, and then select the Payments tab at the very top. I got €5 back in October 2020. If I log into my PayPal account, you will also see it there. The company behind PortalPay is Bitburst. I don't remember how long it took for the money to be transferred, but I think I got it the same day I requested it. Back to the app, and the last section is to invite friends to PortalPay. You will get a 15% bonus of their earnings if you refer someone. This doesn't affect your friends' earnings, it's just an extra bonus when you refer people to the app. And they also get 23 cents when joining with your code, like the one I put in the description below. In the dashboard, you can see all the people you have invited. As you can see, I've invited 19 people, but only earned 29 cents because most of them didn't complete any survey. In my opinion, this app definitely won't make you rich, but it's a convenient way to make a little extra from your smartphone when you're commuting, for example. I made a video about Adapon last week where the minimum withdrawal amount is only €3. It's very similar to this app, but you can redeem money much faster due to their very low minimum payment threshold. My goal is to make at least one video every week for you guys to make money online, so make sure to subscribe and check out my channel. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next week for another video.